Rug Doctor. Clean deeper, feel better. Tips for cleaning with your Rug Doctor Portable Spot Cleaner. Pick up and discard any solid debris in the area before using your Rug Doctor Portable Spot Cleaner. You can test color fastness before using on carpets and upholstery by first wetting an inconspicuous area with a small amount of cleaner and then blotting with a paper towel. After 1 to 2 minutes, check for color transfer. When cleaning, hold the brush upright and make sure the suction nozzle is in contact with the surface you are cleaning. You will be able to see the water, soap, and stain being suctioned into the nozzle. If you don't see this, tilt the nozzle forward and pass over the area you wish to clean. When using the Rug Doctor Portable Spot Cleaner on stairs, keep the machine on the step or two below where you were cleaning for easy maneuverability. Use the convenient carry handle to move from step to step.